Hi guys, in this video we are going to make Windows 11 look clean, modern and beautiful using Mist Theme and Windhawk. We will customize different part of Windows to create a soft, stylish and smooth desktop look. I will show you everything step by step so you can easily follow along and create the same setup on your own PC. And before we start, this is what your Windows 11 desktop will look like after end of this video. We will see the new Mist Theme, customized Windows interface and clear overall desktop appearance. If you like this modern and simple style, stay with me until the end. So let's get started and give Windows 11 a fresh new look with the Mist Theme and Windhawk. First, let's create a restore point. Before making any changes, this gives you a backup option if anything goes wrong. Search for create a restore point, open it and click create to continue. Now we need to install Windhawk. Since the Windhawk is already installed on my system, I will skip this step and move on the customization process. Now open Windhawk. Extract theme file. Open this folder. Open Windows 11 theme folder. Copy the theme file. This PC, C drive, Windows, resources and theme. Then paste it here. Click continue. Close this one. Go to Windhawk. Explore. Search UX theme hook. Details and install. Desktop, right click on it, personalization and theme. Choose your theme and click it. Now theme is applied. The soft design and clean style make the desktop look much more modern and elegant. Now go to theme folder, wallpaper, right click on it, set as desktop background. Now wallpaper is set. Open Windhawk. Charts resources redirect. Details. Go to theme folder, icon folder, then copy this icon pack. Go to this PC, C drive and paste it here. Double click on it and copy address. Go to Windhawk, install it, setting. Scroll down, theme paths and paste it here. Click save. Now icon is ready, but some icons are not working. Don't worry. Turn on disable folder thumbnails and click yes. Now our custom icon pack is ready. Look at how beautiful and clean those icons are. They match the Mist theme perfectly and will give Windows 11 a fresh, modern and stylish appearance. Now open Windhawk again. Windows 11 Taskbar styler, details and install it. Go to theme folder. Go to Windhawk Installer folder. Open this script. Select all and copy it. Go to Advanced tab and paste it here. Click Save. This makes the taskbar look cleaner, smoother and more beautiful. It also matches the Mist theme perfectly, giving the desktop a modern and stylish appearance. Now move to the Windows 11 File Explorer installer, Details and install it. Check out the default look. Open this script. Select all and copy it. Go to Windhawk, Advanced tab. Remove this code and paste it here. Then click Save. This gives File Explorer a cleaner, more modern and beautiful look. It also matches the Mist theme perfectly, moving the entire Windows interface feel more polished and stylish. Now go to Windhawk. Search Translation Windows, Details and install it. It adds a beautiful transparent effect and makes the desktop interface look cleaner, smoother and more modern. Now open Windhawk. Windows 11 Start Menu Installer, Details and install it. Go to Advanced tab. Open this folder. Open this script. Select all and copy it. Then paste it here and click Save. It gives the Start menu a clean, beautiful and modern look that perfectly matches our Mist theme. Now check RAM uses. Go to Task Manager. Search Windhawk. Type Windhawk. Looks it lightweight. Now fix drive issue. Translation windows, details, setting. Now turn off Windows theme custom rendering. Then click save setting. Now check out the drive. That's it. Our Windows 11 customization is complete. I hope you enjoyed this clean Mist theme setup. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.